Hello folks, and welcome to another daily Bitcoin market analysis by Inspocrypto. Today without Inspo's initial comment because I just arrived from a long business trip, tired, and at the same time a bunch of work still on my table. So we will make a quick overview today and go straight to our analysis. And yeah, it's possible that I can't provide any analysis Friday because another business trip is waiting to me. But in such case, I will stop the billing on Substack, so they are not going to charge you for that day. Just to make it clear, I will activate that back in Saturday because yeah, Saturday and Sunday and Monday I will provide, as usual, the daily Bitcoin market analysis. So let us start and take a look. Since yesterday, nothing big happened here. So 51, I think yesterday, that was yesterday, 51, and the day before we had 54. So, you know, it's still above 50. So they are maintaining that level here. So something really curious because it didn't happen before. But if we check the chart, it makes sense because distribution, that's what they are doing. They start to unload when the price is very close to 20,700. They start to push up and go back to 23, start to distribute once again. That's the whole game. I'm still waiting to wake up one day with a trigger. I don't know if that's going to be an escalation related to Russia or something else. It doesn't matter. And then red only. But it seems at the moment they feel very comfortable at that price level and they are maintaining. If we take a look here, that's obviously indicating us the whole thing was programmed. The whole thing was absolutely programmed. So it was for them clear, hey, let us unload and we will buy the dip once again, because that's what it's indicating here, while you can see a big inflow of stablecoins hitting centralized exchanges, it seems, while the stablecoin, while the weights ratio 30 hours moving average declined a lot. Also here, as you can see that, for example. So yeah, sad because I wasn't at home. It was 14 hours before. So when they started to decline, for them it was absolutely planned. So when we are talking about cartel, that's absolutely a sign of a cartel. So we have few whales out there and they are driving the markets and they push up, they dump, whatever they want, and you are the fish. And that's the whole thing. So yeah, nothing different to yesterday. We are still in a range, maintaining that level, keep distributing, it seems, and we will see. I mean, if we take a look, for example, here, it's absolutely clear what's happening, right? Usually they are maintaining, and at certain moment it will do whoop, down and down, but they are, it seems, not yet they are not done with the distribution. So let us go to the next chapter. Yes, and once again we can see we received here 146 millions, another 160 millions, and they start then afterwards to send more bitcoins to centralized exchanges. But hey, it's declining a lot. A lot. If we had here 750 bitcoins, and that's really peanuts, now they are sending 400. Or here, for example, so the maximum for today was 750 bitcoins. It's not Friday, it's not Saturday, it's not Saturday or Sunday or weekend in general, it's a working day. Outflow 750 bitcoins, and that's it. That's the whole thing. So nothing big to see here. Yeah, we received more stablecoins, while, for example, here 160 millions in outflows and another 70 millions. Then here also taking profit 144 millions. We'll check later on if we can figure out what's happening with stablecoins, inflows, outflows, and so on and so forth. Let us go to the next chapter. So the most curious thing is, once again, someone was expecting to have a bounce here. Look what open interest and leverage ratio did. So a lot of people started to place futures positions, while also here the volume is declining a lot. I mean, I'm talking, I don't know what's happening today. We had 1,100 bitcoins outflows, and right now 1,170 bitcoins inflows to derivative exchanges. The biggest here was today with 1,400 bitcoins peanuts. We are talking about derivative futures. Even if we take a look, for example, here to stablecoins, 88 millions. That's crazy low. Okay, however, it is what it is. If we take a look, funding rate pushed up, so indicating we're just longing it. If we take a look to open interest lifted up, declined, lifted up, and boom, up. And the same did leverage ratio. So went up, down, more up, and boom. That's what's happening. So they are demanding more longs. Everyone keeps very bullish because the price action looks extremely bullish. Sarcasm off. So if we take a look now to the next one, we can see also here open interest up. Now leverage ratio up, while just before declined. And if we take the aggregated, so funding rate was declining after here, that was some in mid of December, we had the last dump afterwards, and then they flipped to long. They flipped to long, and that's still a very intact trend indicating longing more, while nothing big happening. Yesterday, for example, they liquidated 627 bitcoins in shorts and 243 in longs. So absolutely nothing happening. Never have seen such low volume and liquidations. Well, Binance also here you can see, so open interest and leverage ratio pushed up very hard. Now let us take a look to blockchain whispers, what's happening there. And wow, everyone is indicating moon next. Moon. While nobody knows when the market is going to crash. But moon. Okay, I mean, it seems I'm the only guy here has to work extremely hard for his money. But it's fine. I mean, why not? As soon as it works, you can do it. Take profit and not use everything, the whole money you used before in one position as well. Just take profit. Really, take profit. Make your trade. Doesn't care if it's bullish or bearish. Take profit and use part of your profit for the next position. Just my recommendation. It's just a tip. That's what I was doing. I would not use my money, keep longing or just shorting it. So if we take a look here, that's extremely 62 to 38. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. 1.5 billions in longs and only 935 millions in shorts. That's crazy. However, Ethereum once again looks healthier. On Bitfinex, longs 2.4 billions, but shorts rising up a little bit. Nothing big. So let us take a look to the Kingfisher. what's happening to Kingfisher. And yeah, let us take a look to the whole leverage. Okay, so we see that high leverage shorts are waiting at 23.5, and everything else, I mean, it's obvious that shorts, at least here related to the cluster, is not a huge problem, but longs, a lot of longs. However, high leverage at the moment, I think, are the main victims in that current game at 23k. And obviously, close to our current price, everything above of 23k until 23.5 is high leverage shorts, and everything below 22.8 until 22.7, it's high leverage longs. 6 millions in liquidation, that's a lot, and that will be on the long side. So go down to 22.60. That explains maybe why they are protecting that levels. Maybe. I don't know if they introduced these positions right now after we dumped. It's absolutely, I can't see that. However, we are done here. Let us go to the next one. So if we take a look now, we can see here why the price declined a little bit. So it declined from 24,200 to 22,500, so almost $1,700. We can see here what is declining more. So Tether not declining that much like BUSD at the moment here. Even the volume is completely different. So can I convert here in US dollar? No. Okay, that's crap. Fiat declined a lot, now pushing up. Coin margin contracts declined also a lot, and futures. So it's also very interesting that Tether is not doing the same, for example, like the others. But yeah, I mean, on Tether we are talking about 7,000 bitcoins less than before. So they sold 7,000 bitcoins more than they bought. While, for example, with BUSD, we can see it was here at 43 millions and now at minus 71, so almost 150 millions sold more than they bought. And fiat minus 54 millions to minus 100, say almost 60 million. So nothing big, absolutely nothing. But now, coin margin contracts, minus 330 to minus 730. Minus 400 million. So they shorted 400 million more than they longed. If we take a look, for example, here, it's almost 950 millions, and now minus 1.4147 billions. Okay, since January 13th. That's crazy. That's really crazy. And that's stablecoin futures. So that's really, really, really big. So, but as you see here, it's, yeah, so it looks like the whole market is, yeah, it's, I don't know, everyone is doing exactly the same, almost. Some less, some more, but doing exactly the same. So BUSD Binance aggregated one also, look that, every single point looks similar. What is going on here? What is going on? That's USDT with Binance. Thanks God. Bitfinex. Jesus, it looks different. It gives me hope. At the end, we will see that Bitfinex is the good one. No, I don't think so. But however, these guys, I don't know why they are so bearish. But I guess they are distributing here. And you know why? Of course, Bitfinex is providing a BTC USD pair. You don't need to use any stablecoin. Just imagine. Smart asses. Of course, why not? Let us go forward. So what's here? BTC USDT on Bybit. They are still declining. Nothing big, but still declining. Oh, Coinbase buying. Coinbase buying, not bad at all. Absolutely doing the opposite of the aggregated. So, well, Bitstamp, wow, Bitstamp, what's happening? Bitstamp, Jesus. If we go forward, we can see here Kraken also bullish like Coinbase. Yeah, baby. Let us go forward, and as well Gemini. Why not Gemini? It declined a little bit, but then went up. So it's really crazy to see that. It's really crazy why we see that, for example, Bitfinex doing the opposite. It's declining more. Bybit as well. Coinbase doing buying, like, well, not Bitstamp, not this time, but Kraken and Gemini. I would say Kraken much more than Gemini. Gemini declined a little bit, but yeah, that's how it looks like. So let us take a look. Retailers. Of course, retailers pushing up more. Why not? I mean, yeah, why not? Let us take a look. From here, that was beginning of November until today, 110,000 Bitcoins. Congratulations, guys. These guys here, they did also at the same time 160,000. So retailers absorbed 270,000 Bitcoins. Not bad at all. So, and these guys also since November, also the same. And these guys absorbed a lot, I would say. For the 3-2, 100,000. 100,000. And these guys have maximum 100 Bitcoins. So these guys declining, market maker declining, these guys lifting up. These guys declining, these guys lifting up. Okay. And these guys not doing anything. If we go forward, we can check. Let me see. Give me, oops. So that's BUSD. Now I would love to say and to check what you are doing here. So yellow, as usual, inflows. And blue, outflows. Look, still more inflows than outflows. Okay. So indicating here, for example, that was February 3rd, the last time they sent 240 and 400 millions. Since then, nothing more. So obviously that could be very interesting to be an indicator if we see that. So the biggest here was almost here before they started to push up with another 38 millions. So let us go to the next one. Let us take a look, for example, to my USDT. What is happening with USDT? Well, they took profit here, but it's almost a net flow. Because USDT is the most used stablecoin yet. We will see how long. But the net flow is almost zero. So, for example, here today we had 66 million inflows, 80 million outflows. So a negative net flow indicating in favor of outflows. Then here, for example, that was also today 95 million inflows, 94 million outflows. Looks a little bit someone is making quick profit with USDT. Then here, 33 million inflows, 63 million outflows. 72 million inflows, 94 million outflows. And here the opposite, 100 million inflows, 94 million outflows, and so on and so forth. But as mentioned, it looks much more, if we take a look, outflows, now a little bit more inflows taking over. You can see that. Outflows, bigger, and bigger. And then inflows bigger, and here almost, zero. So also very interesting. However, the most interesting one, is USDC in my opinion. And USDC, oh look. So USDC once again taking profit, and here another 226 millions, another 125 millions, another 100 millions. That was February. Now let us take a look what happened just in the recent days. So that was 6th, okay, and that's today. And today they sent 37 millions before we went down. Okay, they didn't took profit yet, it seems. The last time it was here, and it was almost, if we check here, for example, 28, another 30, another 26. So also here more indicating, why update? Yeah, always update. So also very interesting, but however, if you take a look, they took a lot of profit. The problem, or it's not a problem, the question is, are they done? Is the distribution done now? We will see. I can't tell you that, but we will see if they are done. If they are done, maybe they want to push up more. We will see it. I mean, if they have the money and they can trigger more FOMO, why not? I will do it. Market maker. Let us take a look how much they sent to centralized exchanges this time. And no, nothing, really nothing. Here almost 700 bitcoins before they started to decline, and now a little bit more, but absolute nothing. Stablecoin outflows bigger than inflows. We see here, yeah, the fund holding. So of course with the price they lifted up and now maintaining, nothing big here. Also here our ratio is now, we need to see what they are going to do next. But it's also here very interesting. For example, if we take here, they used at the top more futures, so to short, I guess. Also very interesting. Yeah, and that's it. Nothing to see here or here. Yeah, market activity declining more. That was our all-time high, and since then, that's it. Let us go to the next chapter. So Coinbase here waiting at 22,500. Otherwise, very clear message. We are waiting between 25 and 20,700. Still there, and nothing happened. Nothing changed since yesterday. Also on Bitstamp, nothing changed since yesterday. Still waiting at 24,700 and 20,000. That's it. If we take a look, Binance, on Binance also nothing have changed. Well, they removed almost, or reduced a lot the liquidity at 21,500 and still maintaining here 21,400. Also here you can see they are waiting here and here. So at 23,200 and right now here 22,800. While the next one would be here 22,500, because then it's still here this trend line. So 22,500 could be the next level. If we take a look here, well, it's clear. Nothing have changed since yesterday. BTC BUSD and spot. Reinforcing, but not to the upside, only to the downside until 21,500. Let us go next. Bitfinex. Nothing have changed since yesterday. Absolutely nothing. OKEX spot. Nothing. Well, OKEX swap, we know 17k. Kraken. What? Okay, on Kraken they are right now reinforcing 21,500. But at the same time 25, and it seems 23,800 as well. Bybit, BTC USD, nothing. BTC USDT, nothing. BitMEX, nothing. Binance futures, they are waiting here, wow, at 24,200 with 1,600 bitcoins to short. At the same time, they removed a lot of liquidity at 22k. And the next, okay, that's it. That's crazy. Otherwise, 20,300. Now, BTC BUSD futures on Binance and 24,500 removed the long position at 21,500. Also interesting. What's happening here? Bitfinex derivatives reinforcing, or at least a new wall at 21,500. We're waiting here too long. Another one at 20,900, but these guys are here using algo, so we shouldn't care about. They removed the wall at 22,400. That looks so suspicious. Nothing happening here. OKEX futures. Also nothing happening here. And Deribit. Look that here. They want too long here. But that doesn't match to what we have seen related to options. Absolutely not. I mean, of course, we can go to 20k, even to 5k. They have an expiry, so they need to go up until end of March. It's absolutely possible, but crazy. I mean, we will see. And that's it, guys. That's it. But that's also very interesting. That's a lot of liquidity on Deribit between 21,600 and I would say 20,300. Looks like, it smells like they are expecting something, or maybe they are not expecting anything. They are driving the market. Not Deribit in special, but the centralized exchange cartel. We can call them sexy. That's not bad. Sexy. So they're sexy if they are the market drivers at the moment. Just imagine they just want to absorb here and push up once again and liquidate as much futures they can have. Maybe? Well, we'll see. I don't know. I really don't know. Let us go forward.